Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making poutine. First we're going to need a half a dozen medium white potatoes. If you wash your potatoes really well, we can use the skins to make potato chips. So there we go, 6 potatoes, all peeled and ready to slice. I'm using this potato slicer, makes it much easier to slice your french fries. You just put your potato in the slicer, and you push down on the handle, and there you go, french fries. Now I rinse those a couple of times in cold water to get all the starch off. Makes for a crispier fry. And then we just leave them in the bowl of water till we got our deep fryer ready. I don't have a fancy deep fryer, so I just use a pot on the stove with a thermometer. Once the temperature gets between about 350 and 375, we are ready to go. I like to double fry my french fries, so I fry them until they're soft in the middle, as tested with a fork. Then remove the fries and wait till the temperature gets back up to 350 to 375 and drop them in again until they get nice and brown on the outside. Okay, I cheated with the gravy and used a pack of Clubhouse Poutine gravy mix. You just add that to 1 cup of water in a pot and bring it up to a boil. Couldn't find cheese curds at the grocery store, so I got some pearl bocconcini, which works really nice, little tiny balls of cheese. So you put that all together and there you go, poutine. Enjoy. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.